Hello YouTube, today I have the Cloy Caterpillar shoes. Unfortunately today I don't have a tripod, so maybe this video will be a bit shaky. So these are the shoes. They are leather made shoes, or leather type of looking shoes, which are mostly casual. You can wear them a bit more formal occasions, but they're mainly casual. They have this leather on top, and the good thing is the bottom, the plastic sole, which means that the shoe might be comfortable, and also the fact that you can maybe go a bit off training with the shoe. So these are the shoes. Let's have a closer look like this here. Underneath it says Caterpillar. As I said, they have a plastic sole, which kind of look like it could be comfortable. These are the laces, a bit rounded, size 10. Inside it says ETH engineered for comfort. Don't think you can take the sole out. No, it's attached. And this thing here, scan to play, blah blah blah, whatever. They are size 10 or size 44 in Europe standards. They have a leather on top, or a leather-like material, but I believe it's leather. Let's see, a cat here, I believe. On top, Caterpillar as well. And they have this loop here, so it's easier for you to put them on, and this thing here, which provides comfort, because leather shoes here in the back of your heel, sometimes it gets a bit uncomfortable if they don't have this padding here, like the shoe has here. Says it's made in Cambodia, like most of the shoes. So these are the shoes. Wear them with jeans, a bit baggy jeans. You can see you can wear them as formal, probably with kind of a brown pants or something like that. They seem comfortable because of the sole, and not very flashy. They have this on the back on the heel, and the other one as well here. So kind of neutral looking, I would say. You can wear them in a more informal occasion. And the good thing is that it's the sole. That means that they seem very good for walking for quite some time. I will write in the description below how the shoes are looking for me, or how do I find them. Do I find them comfortable or not? So having worn them for just walking around for a couple of minutes, I would say that this point here is a bit hard, because I believe it's leather. So better the first time you wear them, better wear more more thick socks. But I believe that, like all the other shoes, with time they will be more soft. And yeah, they seem comfortable. It's just that it has the ease cushioning. And I plan to wear them quite a lot, especially while working, and do a lot of walking. So probably I will have in the description my opinion about how the shoes are for walking and for daily use mainly. That's why I bought them. And those shoes are not waterproof per se, but because they're leather, I believe they might be splash proof. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.